Melinda from Arizona did lots of efforts treating her stomach problems, but a little monster, Clove, solved it luckily. Are you facing stomach diseases too? Let's know all procedures she followed. Cloves are one of the best natural plants, but millions of people don't know the best way to take cloves to recover from many diseases and obtain a huge amount of amazing benefits that change your life for the better, like Melinda. Before the secret, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to support our team. Keep up making videos for you. What happens inside your body when you take cloves? If you want a healthy life free of chronic diseases, be sure that cloves are your right choice. It's known to everyone that cloves have the distinctive smell of a dentist's office as they work to relieve tooth pain. When 1 or 2 sticks of cloves are placed on the inflamed tooth, it immediately soothes it. We also recommend using it on the tooth that has pain until you go to the dentist. The last point is super important. I will share at the end of the video secrets Clove has. Number 10. Cloves as a treatment. Cloves are considered one of the most powerful treatments that contribute to acne problems, as they are considered a powerful antibiotic and antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal, which treats acne. All you have to do is put 3 clove sticks in boiling water for 5 minutes, then filter the water and wipe it on the face well, or the affected areas. Number 9. Treatment of stomach. It is a wonderful treatment for stomach ulcers, as cloves have therapeutic properties for stomach ulcers, which many suffer from. It also has an effective role in fighting candida and worms in the digestive system. All you have to do is put 3 cloves in 100 milliliters of water and boil them well. Number 8. Reducing stress. Reducing stress. It's known that increasing stress affects the increase in diseases and pathological symptoms, which leads to an increase in cortisol, the stress hormone, which causes many problems for the body's health, especially heart disease, because it reduces the essential minerals present in the human body, such as potassium. To relieve stress, all you have to do is put 3 clove sticks in a cup of green tea and drink it because of its many benefits for the health of the body. Number 7. Enhancing testosterone. Enhancing testosterone. Recent studies have shown that cloves enhance testosterone, the male hormone, as it enhances sperm, which increases blood flow and a feeling of activity and vitality for all men. In addition, this hormone enhances other aspects, such as treating hair loss, as well as treating acne and all facial problems, treating all prostate problems, and a useful treatment for infertility in men. Number 6. Strengthening the immune system. Strengthening the immune system. Cloves are rich in minerals and vitamins. A teaspoon of ground cloves provides 30% of the recommended daily amount of manganese, which is necessary for the health of the body. It also provides 4% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin K and 3% vitamin C. Number 5. Regulating blood sugar. Regulating blood sugar. Cloves contain manganese, which plays an effective role in regulating blood sugar, as well as controlling insulin in the body, which in turn helps regulate blood sugar levels. Number 4. Promoting respiratory health. Promoting respiratory health. Cloves work to prevent upper respiratory infections, alleviate the symptoms that accompany them, and protect against colds, influenza, coughs, and asthma. In addition to preventing sinus infections and preventing bronchial infections, it also works to expel phlegm and get rid of it. Number 3. Helps in losing weight. Quickly, it helps in losing weight and burning fat, as it reduces the feeling of hunger because it contains high percentages of healthy fiber, which works to reduce the desire to eat and feel full. Number 2. Improves liver functions. Improving liver functions. Cloves contain antioxidants that work to get rid of liver fat and also reduce the risk of atherosclerosis. It also preserves the liver, improves its enzyme levels, and makes the liver healthier. Number 1. Improves bone health. Improving bone health. Cloves are rich in manganese, which is involved in the bone formation process and is important for bone health. It also increases the density of minerals within the bones. In addition, cloves have properties that reduce joint inflammation and are considered a wonderful treatment for rheumatoid arthritis, as studies have shown. Comment: Clove and I will send you clove teas recipes Melinda shared with us. Dear family, this was all we have today. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Drop a comment below about any topics you'd like me to cover in future videos.